You searched how to buy shares of Shoulder Innovations, Inc., a medical device company focused on shoulder implants and orthopedic solutions listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SI. This video is for education only and not financial advice. To buy SI, you'll need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SI to locate the matching NASDAQ listing. Confirm you've selected the correct company in the results. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Make sure the page shows NASDAQ and the SI ticker to confirm it's the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the order. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.